So what are some of the best VPNs for PUBG mobile game? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use some of the best VPNs for your PUBG mobile game, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're looking for a VPN to play PUBG mobile from anywhere, you'll want to choose a service that offers fast speeds, low latency and strong encryption. And here are a few options that might meet these criteria. The first up on the list, we definitely have one of the most popular, and that is the ExpressVPN. It's a popular VPN service that offers fast speed and strong encryption. It has a large network of servers in over 90 countries, including several that are optimized for gaming. The next up on the list, we have a VPN called NordVPN, and NordVPN is another top-rated VPN service that offers fast speed and strong encryption. It has a large network of servers in over 60 countries, including several that are optimized for gaming. Next up on the list, we have a VPN called CyberGhost. Now, CyberGhost is a user-friendly VPN service that is great for gaming on PUBG Mobile. It offers servers in over 90 countries and its apps are easy to use and configure. And last up on the list, we have a VPN called Private Internet Access. So the Private Internet Access is a reliable VPN service that offers fast speed and strong encryption. It has a large network of servers in over 70 countries, including several that are optimized for gaming. So when using a VPN for PUBG Mobile, it's important to choose a server that is located close to the game server location to minimize latency and ensure the best gaming experiences. Additionally, keep in mind that using a VPN to gain an unfair advantage in the game is against PUBG Mobile's terms of service and may result in your account being banned. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.